Hello everyone, it's 4 p.m. and it's time for some chitter chatter with Subhi Joshi. I am sure you all have seen our story, and since you all have sent us so many questions, so you all are all excited for this live. I'm gonna ask her all about her shows, all about her weight loss journey because she's had a tremendous transformation, and since I have one, so there's a lot to talk about her weight loss, about her shows, and about her lockdown. So I hope you all are all excited. Hello, Praveen. And yeah, so let's send a request to Subhi Joshi. And she's right here. Request. Hi, Subhi. We can't see you.
Yeah. Can you see me? Is it better?
Now we can see you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm very well. Thank you for joining us live. And a lot of your fans are here. So, would you like to say something to them before we get started with our question answers that they all want to ask you?
Hi everyone and be kind, okay?
That's so sweet. That's the first thing I've heard. Like, be kind. Don't worry. Your fans really love you and they're super kind. They send very simple questions that they want me to ask you. And so, how's lockdown going?
Lockdown was not bad actually. It was pretty good for me. I did a lot of things, learned a lot of new things. So for me, it was pretty good.
So, what all did you do in lockdown? What are the new things that you learned?
What all I cooked as all like everybody cooked, not only me. Everyone was cooking, and then I started working out and started with some new diets, discovered some new diets. So yeah,
So, what is the favorite dish that you cooked while lockdown that you really enjoyed cooking and you thought like this is something I've done while lockdown and I would like to like continue making this dish?
I think Rajma.
Do you like rajma? Because usually दिल्ली वालों को राजमा बहुत पसंद है.
हाँ, actually, I love. मतलब Sunday, every Sunday, once in a week we eat Rajma. So yeah.
So Subhi, you've had a tremendous transformation. Like, you've lost almost 15 kg. So what made you suddenly have this weight loss? Like, what got you on this journey?
Actually, when the lockdown started, so initially for good 10 days, I was just eating, like eating and eating and eating, and my sleep cycle was completely gone for a toss. So I was just eating, and then one day after all these 10 days, I realized if I'm going to eat like this, then I'm going to just destroy myself because I had already gained weight, and this because of this lockdown, I was again gaining weight. So I was like, I will have to do something now. I have to stop eating and I have to use this period, this lockdown. I should take this as my restart. So I started, then I decided, and then I started working out and diet. And
So what kind of diet have you followed while lockdown?
actually I did a lot of research online, यहाँ वहाँ गूगल पर जाकर I did a lot of research, watched a lot of videos, and then finally I did a high protein low carbs diet, so where I was taking more of protein and very less carbs, like almost no roti and rice.
So Subhi, what made you come to
Yeah.
Bombay? How did you decide to start your journey with Splitsvilla? Tell us all about that.
Yeah, I did Splitsvilla when I was in Delhi only. So I had this friend who was auditioning for Splitsvilla. He called me over and I auditioned, and that's how I got Splitsvilla. But I always wanted to act. Like I was very clear that I want to act. But my mother was like, you complete your studies first and then you can, go ahead with it. So I was studying Tabhi College में थी, and then I completed my graduation and then I moved to Bombay. And then, yeah, I gave a lot of auditions and everything, and, started getting work and started working. So since 6, 7 years, I'm here now.
And how do you like Bombay? Like, being a Delhi, you've come to Bombay. So what is about Bombay that you like the most?
I think I am now Bombay wali only. I love Bombay. Everything is so great about this city. You are so safe. You have this independency, and you don't have to depend on anyone. Like I even come back from work. All of us come back from work late at night also. So that way it's very safe. Um, the thing which I miss the most about Delhi is the food. That's it. Rest
In
I'm good
Delhi,
here.
which is your favorite food joint?
Mm, yeah, I'm a big time food lover. So I have a lot. I used to have a lot of joints. So I basically love momos a lot. Like I can eat them thrice a day for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So there used to be. I used to stay in South Delhi. So there used to be. There is a place called Lajpat Nagar in South Delhi.
Yeah.
So there used to be this Momo Ali auntie. She's very famous. She's all over the news. So she's very famous. I used to go there a lot and eat a lot of momos and
In fact, the first time I had tandoori momos were in Delhi itself. क्योंकि बॉम्बे में तब तक
I'm a
तंदूरी मोमोज
colleague.
का कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं
हाँ.
आया था. So at
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Rajouri, I
yeah.
had
Amazing.
gone and I had tandoori momos there like for the
Right.
first time. So,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
okay. So, Divya, tell us, your show, like you've won so many, like Beat Splits Villa, and you've done a lot of TV shows in 6, 7 years you're doing. What is it about? Which is your favorite one? And tell us your journey. Like, how did it go from reality show to like, doing all the things that you're doing?
How did it go?
Yeah, like, what is your journey like? What are your experiences like?
So, I did Splitsvilla, and then after that, I started getting calls, a lot of calls for auditions and look tests and all. But I was in Delhi at that time. Then after some time, I moved here. After completing my studies, I moved here, and then I started giving auditions, and that's how I got my first show, which was a show for Big Magic. It was called Love Dosti Dua. So that was my first show. I auditioned for it and I got it. Somehow I've been touchwood a little lucky. Like
That's good.
I got like wherever, yeah, touchwood, wherever I went, I got it almost. So I got that show. While I was doing that show, I auditioned for another show for ZTV, and I got it. That the other show also. It was called Bhase Bhade, and then I left this show, and then I went there. I started doing that show, but तभी चीजें बहुत नई थी तो कुछ नहीं समझ आता था. Like it was very new for me. I'd never done TV, never faced camera and everything. So that's how I started. And after that, I got a call from. I did a show called Comedy Classes. So I got a call from there. Then I auditioned there, and then I got that show. And yeah,
And the journey continues. So, did you shoot anything
and
during the lockdown, or is there something that you're looking forward to now after lockdown? Like, is there something that
lockdown,
is
so I didn't shoot anything. Yes, I've been getting quite a few offers now since I've lost weight and everything. But then I'm just waiting for the right offer since I've worked so hard. I want to wait. I don't just want to jump on something and. So I want to wait, take my time, and then grab something really nice.
what's acting for you? Like, if you have to define acting, what is it?
Acting. I think acting is honesty. I think आप कोई भी काम अगर honesty से कोई भी character if you do it with honesty ना you'll kill it. So for me, acting, okay, whenever I am acting, I've not learned it from anywhere. एक तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आपको कोई acting कैसे सिखा सकता है? Like for me, I've never learned. I've not gone to any school, acting school or something. So whenever I go, even today, whenever I go for my scenes, my short, I am very nervous before my every scene. Like every scene is like my first day. So I'm very nervous. When I go there, I'm like some other person. I don't care there are people around me. I am just the character that I'm playing. I'm not even Suhi. I'm the character that I am playing. So acting. I believe you just have to be very honest with what you are doing and give your 100%.
You are also a DJ. So, how did you develop this whole thing where
Yeah,
you said, "Oh, I want to try DJing," and you got, like, I'm sure you love music and that's how you got into DJing. But what was that one moment where you said, "Oh, I want
yeah,
to be a
yeah.
DJ"?
So I was always very fond of music. But then I had this friend in Delhi who was a very famous DJ at that time, like 9, 10 years ago. So I used to go to his house to chill and everything. So he had this entire system at home. So once I told him, okay, listen, why don't you teach me? I come here to chill anyway, so just teach me. He said, okay, fine, I'll teach you. So he taught me for like 7 days. I used to go to him every day. 7 days, and then eighth day I got a show. So 7 days I learned, and like my grasping power is nice.
Oh,
So
nice.
in 7 days I so in 7 days I learned, and then he fixed a show for me on the eighth day, and that's it. So I've been DJing. I guess I was 17 or 18 when I started. Now I'm 27. So
Oh my God, that's a long time. So, what kind of music do you
yeah,
like the most?
Bollywood.
Right
I am
now,
a I'm like hmm,
right now you're a completely.
yeah.
You were saying something. You're completely.
I said I am a very filmy person, like completely. So Bollywood is like my favorite genre.
And which is a song you've been lately hearing on loop?
Song which I've been Song which I've been
Continuously hearing on the loop.
these days. Actually, honestly, मैं आजकल इतने गाने सुन नहीं रही हूँ. But whatever I'm listening, वो सब पुराने गाने हैं, and those are all English songs. So when I personally want to listen to something, so then probably depends on my mood. Maybe if I am like I want to chill and relax, then I will hear some say some commercial music. Maybe when I want to party or dance, then I want to listen to some Bollywood music. So it depends totally कि क्या क्या mood
What is
है.
the mood? Acha.
Yeah,
So, do you enjoy reality shows more or do you enjoy acting more?
that's complicated. I think I think acting now. Now.
Okay. So, if you had to still be a part of some reality show, what is on the bucket list? Which reality show you would still want to be a part of?
Oh God. I don't know what. Oh, I want to do a dance reality show.
Okay, so I think Jhalak Dikla Ja, if I had to name or Nach
Yeah,
Bali,
yeah,
which
yeah.
one would you like?
Right, right. I don't have a Bali, so that's a no for now. So Jhalak Dikhla is fine.
Okay, so we're gonna have a quick this or that. So, do you like action movie or adventure movie?
Adventure.
Which is your favorite adventure movie?
Um, Favorite adventure movie would be mm, the last movie which I saw. It's a very it's not even adventurous. It's very kiddish maybe, but yeah, I found it adventurous. I don't know if it comes under that category or not, but for me it was adventurous, and it was Jumanji.
Okay, okay. Romantic or a typical comedy rom-com, like a serious romantic or a comedy rom-com.
Mm, actually I like both of them. I like rom-coms also, and I like comedy also. Oh, sorry, romantic movies also, but
So,
rom-coms.
which rom-com have you enjoyed the most lately, or you like to watch generally?
I think hmm, I was just watching this movie on Netflix. What is it called? Slipped out of my mind. One second. I forgot the name. Just today, I was watching this movie, and it is very funny and romantic also. Um, there's this movie. What is the name? Isn't it romantic? It's a rom-com, and it's funny also, and it's romantic also. So it's fun.
Historical movies or science fiction?
Oh God, none,
None. Okay.
none. Not
War?
really.
Do you like
War,
watching crime? War or crime? None again.
none, none. I don't watch such intense content. I don't because I live by myself and I freak out at night at times, so I avoid watching all these things.
Superheroes or supernatural?
Uh, Superheroes,
Who's your favorite superhero?
Superman.
If you had to have one superhero quality, which one would it be?
I think being invisible.
Thriller or horror?
Horror.
Which is your favorite horror movie?
Uh, The Shining, Conjuring,
Real
and
reality TV shows or game shows?
I don't watch. Honestly, I don't watch game shows. I don't even watch reality shows. But still, if I have to go with something, I'll go with reality shows. I don't watch
Lately,
them though.
what are you binge watching the most? Which series are you binge watching the most?
Uh, right now, I'm watching this show on Hotstar. It's called Divorce. So I've just started with it, and before that, I was watching How I Met Your Mother.
Musical movies or animation?
Animation.
Favorite animated character?
Um, I love this movie Coco. It's a very cute movie, animation, and I love it. Coco.
Favorite hero?
Imran Hashmi.
Okay. Favorite actress?
Favorite actress. I think I think I like Alia. I like Deepika. When it comes to acting, I like Anushka.
Um, if you have to go to a theater, popcorn or samosa?
Popcorn with samosa.
Popcorn with samosa. Okay. Okay, knowing the foodie you are, I'm sure that would be happening.
Yeah.
Okay, if you had to be a part of an old classic, which one would it be?
Uh, I think मैंने प्यार किया.
Your favorite dialogue from Maine Pyar Kiya?
Um, दोस्ती में no sorry, no thank you.
Favorite song from the 90s?
From the 90s. Mm, oh God, 90s. I'm completely blank. 90s songs. There are a lot of 90s songs. Come on. I like a lot of Govinda ka songs. They are very peppy and kisi disco mein jaye type songs. They're very nice, very peppy and very fun.
So, what would you like to tell your fans just before we sign out?
I would just say, looking at the situation right now, I would just say, stay safe, everyone. Take a lot of precautions since everything's open now. Most of the things, don't just go out and go out at crowded places. Take proper precautions because it's very scary right now also. So be safe and stay healthy.
Thank you so much for joining us live, and it was really great to have
Thank
you live,
you.
Subhi. And looking forward to
Same
many more
here.
live sessions. And see you soon. Take care.
Thank you. See you. Bye. Take care.
Bye.